A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidna ilma. May Allah increase all of us in knowledge. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. 10 people in. I think we are waiting for another couple of people. Again, those who are in, try to look at the homework questions. Most of the questions will be from yesterday's homework or from the homework we did previously. Okay, so almost all questions are from the homework. Okay, only 9 players in. I see Hifza, I see Zahan, I see Adnan, Hazik is also in, Muniba is in, Nahid Auntie is in, Anil Auntie, I do not see you, maybe you have network troubles again. Fuzail, Afifa, I do not see you in the quiz. Nimra, Sidra are in. Okay, so Fuzail, Afifa, I'll give you 10 seconds. Try to join quickly, otherwise we will start, inshallah. Let us begin. And inshallah, we'll go through concepts as we go through the quiz. Okay, so I don't want to bore you with too many concepts. So let's take a question and then go through concepts in case you get the answer wrong. We will start. I call this the homework quiz. Choose the correct option. Dash al-bayti mughlaqun. Dash al-bayti mughlaqun. Mughlaqun means closed. Blue al-babun. Red al-babu. Green al-babi. Orange babu. Easy question, one of the easiest questions here. Dash al-bayti mughlaqun. Blue al-babun, red al-babu, green al-babi, orange babu. Okay, I want someone to explain the answer. Someone who's chosen probably blue or red. Why did you choose al-babun or why did you choose al-babu? Who's going to volunteer? Dash al-bayti mughlaqun. That's the question. Who's going to explain? Someone who got it wrong. Try to figure out what's wrong with your answer and try to explain the correct answer.
I chose red. The door of the house.
You chose red.
Yeah.
Okay, door of the house will also be Babul Baiti. Okay, door of the house. The door will also be Babu because if you put Al Babu, Al Baiti, it's very difficult to differentiate whether it is off. Okay, so the rule of off is, let me write it for you. Always remember, door of the house is always going to be Babu. Let me make this big. 1 minute. Make this 38, 36. This should be better. Babu al baiti is door of the house or the door of the house. Okay, if you put an al, this is green, this is correct. If you put an al in front of al babu to say the door of the house, this is wrong. Let me give you one more scenario. If I have Babun al-Bayti Mughlaqun, would this be correct? This I told is wrong. Babun al-Bayti Mughlaqun, would this be correct? Hifza. Babun is a door. Would this be correct? Hifza doesn't want to give the answer. Sadia. Is this correct? Number 3.
Babun al-Bayti. No,
Right?
because it's Babun, and then when you join, it won't make sense.
No, it will be Babun al-Bayti.
Safa uncle, can I tell?
Yes, Muniba.
Because it's not Babun, it is Babu, and it is Babu. Because Babu means door.
Babun is door.
But
No.
if
Our
you
door is Babu.
put Babu, it will change the meaning.
Correct. Door is Babun. Okay. But when we say door of something, okay, when we say door of the car, okay, the Babun, and pay attention, guys, this is where most of you are going wrong repeatedly. The Babun will become Babu. Babu as-sayyarati. Okay, door of, when we have something of something else, we have door of the car, the Babun becomes Babu. That's the pattern. That's how you say this of something. So whenever you have an of, you will only have a single vowel. It could be fi babe sayarati. If I have fi in the door of the car, let me write it below. Door of the car. Okay. Now I'm going to say in the door of the car. How will I say this? In the door of the car will not make sense. So let me give a quiz question. Hazik, how would you say in the house of Muhammad? How would you say this? How would you say first house of Muhammad? Hazik.
Muhammadu Baitin.
Okay, now I need to teach you one more thing. Muhammadu Baitin, that's what you said?
Yes.
Hazik, what is Muhammadu Baitin? Who can give me the correct answer?
Muhammad of house.
Muhammad of house. Hazik, this means Muhammad of house. Look, Babu Sayarati means door of the house. Okay, let me color code this for you. Door, let me make this orange. Okay, it's always something of something. If I say Kalamu Haziqi, it is pen of Hazik. So always the kalam will come first. If I say Haziku kalamin, it means Hazik of the kalam, which doesn't make sense. Muhammadu Baitin, what's the meaning of this, Hazik?
Muhammad of house.
Muhammad of house, which doesn't make sense. Okay, Muhammad comes first, that's before of. And I have questions regarding this. So if you think you're going to get away by not focusing here, you have 2 questions regarding the same thing. I'm going to interchange, and it's going to be tricky. It's not going to be as simple as this. So pay attention. And let us see then who's going to get it wrong. Whoever's not paying attention now, and whoever's not connecting the concepts now, is going to get 2 bonus questions wrong in the quiz. Okay, I'm leaking the questions in the quiz. Muhammadun, Muhammadu Baitin is Muhammad of house. How do you say house of Muhammad, Hazik?
Baitu Muhammadin.
Very good. So it's always Baitu Muhammadin, house of Muhammad. So it's always something of something else. Now, let me give a question to my favorite students. Zahan, what do you say for car in Arabic?
Sayyaratun.
Sayaratun. Okay, always you'll put the un ending. If there's no need to change it away from the un, for example, if you have a fee, you'll make it e, you'll make it sayaratin. But if there's nothing, you'll say sayaratun. Okay, so always you'll say an un ending. For example, here, door, I said babun, I did not say babun. So when I ask you car, you should say sayara. What will
Sayyaratun.
Sayaratun? Very good. So Baitu Muhammadin would be house of Muhammad. Now, question to Zahan and Adnan. Okay, both of you, my favorite students in the class. Let me also make this orange. Oops. House goes orange and Baitu goes orange. Okay. How would you say Zahan, Adnan? Zahan's car. We have a car, Zahan.
Sayyaratun Zahan.
Very good. So although it is Zahan's car, you have to convert it to say car of Zahan. Okay, that's the concept which you learned. So Zahan's car means car of Zahan. So this is the pattern that we have seen. To make it easy, you make it car of Zahan. Put an off. And what's the answer, Zahan? You said the correct answer.
Sayyaratun Zahanu.
No, now you're saying wrong. Pay attention, Zahan. What is wrong with your answer? Adnan, your answer is also wrong. You're copying Zahan, which is the wrong answer. Where are you going wrong, Zahan? Sayyara?
Sayyaratun.
Wrong, Zahan.
Sayyaratan.
Sayaratu.
Very good, Adnan. What is wrong with this answer, Zahan?
Sayyaratu.
I just told you it will not be Babun al-Baiti is wrong. That's what I just told you. These are all wrong. It has to be Babul Baiti. If you don't pay attention, Zahan, that's what happens. Look, it is always Babul Baiti. So it's always going to be Sayyaratu Zahani. Zahani or Zahanin. So the Arab words, okay, so the Arab names will have un. The non-Arab words will not have un. Okay, so Zahan, I don't think is an Arab name, so it will only be Zahani. For example, Muhammad. Okay, Muhammad is an Arab name, and this is say advanced Arabic, but I'm just letting you know on why I use single ending. So Muhammadun is an Arab name, so it'll have an un ending. Ibrahim is not an Arab name. Okay, although Ibrahim alayhi salam is a prophet, Ibrahim, there are only about 6 prophet names which are Arab. So it's Muhammad, it is Nuh alayhi salam, I think it is Shuaib alayhi salam, so it'll be Shuaibun, Salihun. There are about 6 prophet names which are Arab names. The rest will only have and a single ending. Okay, so it'll be Ib, Ra, He, Mu. It will not be Ibrahimun. Okay, and that's just say an Arabic rule. So only Arab names will have own ending. Same with female names. Will it be question to now Sadia and Hifza? Will you say Fatimatun or Fatimatu? Or let's take a word which we have seen. Khadijatun or Khadijatu?
Khadijatu.
Khadijatu. Okay, so even female names will not have un. So even while I say Khadijatu, two, it will only be Khadijatun, it will not be Khadijatun. But that's a rule which you can forget for now. That's not what you're focusing on. But Sayyaratu Zahani would be car of Zahan. It will not be Sayyaratun Zahan. Okay? What's wrong with Sayyaratun Zahani Zahan? It will not follow the off pattern. So Sayyaratu Zahanin will not follow the off pattern. Now let's go back to the quiz and let's see who's gotten the first question correct, and let's also see who's gotten it wrong. Zahan has gotten it correct. When I asked you a question, Zahan, maybe you're not focusing. Muniba, very good. Muniba, correct. Sadia, Hifza, wrong. Sadia did not revise. Hifza made a silly mistake. Let's see upcoming questions if you can get it correct. Second question, choose the correct option. Very similar. Aina dash as-sayyarati. Aina dash as-sayyarati. Blue al-babu. Red babu. Green miftahu. Orange al-miftahu. Same pattern, guys. If you've paid attention last 5 minutes, your answer will be correct. Aina dash as-sayyarati. Blue al-babu. Red babu. Green miftahu. Orange al-miftahu. Which is the correct option? There's only one correct option. The rest are all wrong. Aina miftahu sayyarati, where is the key of the car, would be the answer. Actually, Babu Sayyarati also, I just noticed, would also be close, because you can also ask, where's the door of the car? Okay, so Babu Sayyarati also, one person marked it, but that is also potentially correct, but we're looking at something that can get misplaced, which is the key of the car. So Miftahu Sayyarati is the correct answer. Now, who marked orange and who marked blue? I'll get to know later, but what's the mistake here, guys? Who marked orange or blue? Let us know your mistake. And why did you mark
Not me, but Babu and Babun is masculine, not feminine.
Oh, Adnan, that's not the rule. We're not saying masculine, feminine here. They are all masculine, in fact. Al-Babu, Babu, Miftahu, Al-Miftahu are all masculine. It's not a masculine, feminine rule.
They already have the.
Al-Babu will be the door. Al-Miftahu will be the keys.
No, Sadia. What's wrong, Sadia? Correct your own mistake, Sadia. What could be wrong with Aina, Al-Miftahu or Al-Babu as-Sayyarati? If I say Aina, okay, Al-Miftahu as-Sayyarati. Okay, Aina Al-Miftahu as-Sayyarati or Aina Al-Babu as-Sayyarati. What would be wrong with these words?
It won't make sense.
Yes, let's Sadia answer. What's wrong with these answers, Sadia?
Aina Miftahu Sayyarati means where are the keys to the car?
Let me tell you. Okay. What's the meaning of Ain al-Miftahu? Sadia, you answer. If I say Ain al-Miftahu, what would it mean? What's the meaning, Sadia? What's the meaning of Aina? Sadia?
Where?
Very good. Where? What is al-Miftah?
The key.
Yes, there's a hidden is Where is the key? Okay, very good. This sentence makes sense. Okay, Aina al-Miftahu makes sense. If I add as-sayyarati, what does it mean? Aina al-Miftahu as-sayyarati, what does it mean? Aina al-Miftahu we've seen, but if I add an as-sayyarati, what would the meaning of this be? Sadia. As-sayyarati doesn't make any sense. Okay, because as-sayyarati is something that cannot come in the sentence. You can never have an ending E unless there is a min. So mina sayarati would mean from the car. So take the bag from the car. Okay. So if I say take the car bag from the car, I could have mina sayarati. So min, after min I will have an ending E, but otherwise the ending E doesn't make sense. If I want to say key of the car, okay, if I want to say key of the car, where is the key of the car? How would I say this, Sadhya? Aina is one word, Miftahu is another word, Sayara is another word.
Aina miftahu as-sayarati.
Aina Miftahu Sayarati, very good. So the al has to get dropped for me to follow the pattern. So Aina Miftahu as-Sayarati. That's the only pattern which will make the Sayarati to make sense. Clear, Sadhya?
Yeah, understood.
Did you revise these concepts, Sadhya?
I wasn't able to understand the homework, so.
Okay, this is the concept, okay? Miftahu Sayarati is the only pattern which makes key of the car. If you say Al Miftahu Sayarati, the Sayarati doesn't make sense. Ainal Miftahu, till here it makes sense, but the As Sayarati will not make sense, okay? Any questions, guys? Clarify, okay? Now is the time for us to practice and clarify. That's what the class is meant for. Homework, I will not tolerate wrong answers, okay? That's homework is meant for you to do homework correctly. But the class is meant for practice and for clarifying doubts. So if you have a doubt, clarify it in the class, not in the homework. Homework is meant to be done correctly. The quiz is also meant to be done correctly. Hifza, very good. Adnan, very good. Quite a lot of people have gotten it wrong. Let's see if you can get it correct this time. Okay. Bonus question, guys. Double points. Translate, this is Hamid's father. This is a tricky question. This is Hamid's father. Pay attention. Take your time. How do you say this is Hamid's father? Blue, hada waladu Hamidin. Hada Hamidu waladin would be red. Green is hada Hamidu ibnin. Orange is hada ibnu Hamidin. This should actually be walidu. So read blue as hada walidu Hamidin would be blue. Red would be hada Hamidu walidin. So the waladin is actually walidin. Blue hada walidu Hamidin. Red hada Hamidu walidin. Green hada Hamidu ibnin. Orange hada ibnu Hamidin. Translate, this is Hamid's father. ये हामिद के पापा है, उसको कैसे बोलते हैं? Blue hada walidu Hamidin. Red hada Hamidu walidin. Green hada Hamidu ibnin. Orange hada ibnu Hamidin. Time's running out, guys. 15 seconds to go. Five seconds to go. One person is yet to mark the answer. Okay, what I expected. Hada walidu Hamidin this is the father of Hamid. Okay, Hamid's father is father of Hamid. What's the mistake with red? And someone who marked the answer wrong, tell me what's the mistake with red? Or anyone, tell me what's the mistake with red?
This is the Hamid of the father.
Yes. Hada,
Become, this is Hamid of the father.
correct. Hada Hamidu, this should actually be Walidin. And another question also, I think I've made the same mistake. This was just a typing mistake. Okay. So Hada Hamidu, let me make this same thing again. Hada Hamidu Walidin means this is Hamid of the of father.
It is
Okay, which doesn't
Walidan.
Walidin. Okay, Hada Hamidu Walidin would be this is Hamid of father. If I make it Al Walidi, okay, if I make this,
Akab, your voice is breaking here.
my voice is breaking. Anyone else facing the same problem?
No, sir. Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no, it's fine for us.
Yes, it's fine.
Voice okay for everyone else?
Yes, it's all
Okay. I think your connection, you might need to.
During the quiz, you mute everybody, ma.
Okay. Okay, let me do that. So Hada Hamidul Waladi or Walidi, Hada Hamidul Walidi, it means this is Hamid of the father, which also doesn't make sense. Okay, the correct answer is Hada Walidu Hamid, and this is the father of Hamid. That's what we need to translate. Always remember the word before of. Okay, so father of Hamid. So you need to convert this to father of Hamid. Father will be Walidu. Hamidin. Hamid will be Hamidin, father of Hamid. Okay, follow the pattern. 5 wrong answer, guys. You need to pay attention. Okay, this is a tricky concept, and you'll see this in a lot of places in the Quran. You will see Muhammadu Rasulullahi. You'll see Al Quranu Kitabullahi. You'll see so many. You'll see umpteen examples. Okay, so you'll see father of Ibrahim. You'll see Ibnu Ibrahim, Ibrahimi. So if you do not understand this pattern, you do not. The sentence doesn't make sense. So you know Walid, you know Ibrahim, but the words will not make sense unless you know what the U stands for, what the E stands for, and you can connect them. Okay, so that's the Arabic language. You need to know what's the U, what's the E, how the words are related together. Nahid aunty, Rahid aunty, again very good. Adnan, good. For a change, Adnan has understood the concept. Zahan, 5th. 2, 3, 4, 5 are very close. Okay, Nahid aunty is the one. All correct answers up ahead. Let me mute everyone before going to the next question. Everyone's already muted. Next question. Choose the correct option. Very similar question. Muhammadun sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and everyone say sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasul dash. Muhammadun sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasul dash. What would you say? I've already said the answer a little time back. Blue, Rasulallah. Red, Rasulullahi. Green, Rasulallahi. Orange, Rasulillahi. Muhammadun sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasul dash. Blue, Rasula Allah. Red, Rasulu Allahi. Green, Rasula Allahi. Orange, Rasuli Allahi. Muhammadun Rasulu Allahi. Whoever is marked blue and whoever is marked green, you're probably guessing, guys. There's no Rasulullah. Okay, so Rasulullah is not part of the answer. It has to be Rasulu Allahi, Rasul of Allah. Rasulullah is again not in the pattern. Hazik, well done. I do not know who dropped, but this was an easy question. Hifza, I think you also got this wrong. Pick up, guys. Easy questions. Same pattern. We are doing enough practice. The last 3-4 classes have been on the same pattern. Okay, you cannot get this wrong going further. Question 5 is on another vocabulary, is on a different lesson, but an easy question. Hal taskunu fi shaqqati. Hal taskunu fi shaqqati. The picture has a house. Okay? You live in a house. Someone's asking you, hal taskunu fi shaqqati. How will you answer it? Blue, la askunu fil baiti. Red, la taskunu fil baiti. Green, naam
Another, what does the question mean?
Al taskunu fi shaqqati. You need to know what the question means, guys. I'm not going to translate the question for you. This is chapter 3, sentence you've seen over and over again. Okay, I'm not going to translate the sentence for you. If you do not know, you get wrong in the question. Green, naam taskunu fi shaqqati. Orange, naam askunu fi shaqqati. Fi shaqqati. There's a ya, my house. Question, hal taskunu fi shaqqati? Blue, la askunu fil baiti. Red, la taskunu fil baiti. Green, naam taskunu fi shaqqati. Orange, naam askunu fi shaqqati. Al taskunu fi shaqqati. Shaqqa means apartment, bait means house. How do I say I live in a house? Blue, la askunu fil baiti. Red, la taskunu fil baiti. Green, naam taskunu fi shaqqati. Orange, naam askunu fi shaqqati. Only 3 correct answers. Someone tell me, why did you get this answer wrong? Who will volunteer? Someone who's gotten the answer wrong, tell me what went wrong. Why is this answer wrong? This is an easy question. Probably one of the easiest questions in the quiz if you've done a little bit of revision.
I didn't see the picture.
Picture. I told you it was a house. You have to say I live in a house. Okay, look. Third lesson is full of this concept. Aina taskunu. Taskunu means I live. And this is for whoever asked the question, what does the sentence mean? Aina taskunu, askunu fi hayyal matari. So we say askunu fi baitin. I live in a house. The exercises we've seen to chapter 3 are also the same. The exercises we did as part of practice. Hal taskunu fi baitin. Naam askunu fi baitin. Do you live in a house? Yes, I live in a house. Okay. Hal taskunu fi baitin. La askunu fi shaqqatin. Had you done any revision at all of chapter 3, this whole chapter is hal taskunu fil bait, hal taskunu fi shaqqa. That is chapter 3. Okay. Had you done any revision, any recap of chapter 3, after going home, you would have gotten this answer correct. This homework is also about shaqqatan, ghurfatan. It's also about apartments and rooms. Okay. So whoever's gotten the answer wrong, either you got something wrong, like you did not see the picture, or you did not know what the question meant or what was asked for you, or you did zero revision. Okay. Any revision of chapter 3, you would have gotten the correct answer. La askunu fil baiti. No, I live in a house is the correct answer. Rahil aunty unfortunately wrong. Nimra Sidra correct. Nahid aunty correct. Someone else correct. Everyone is wrong. Okay. Pay attention, guys. Question 6. Choose the correct option. Dash at-tabibi ba'idun. Dash at-tabibi ba'idun. Ba'idun means far. Dash at-tabibi ba'idun. Blue, mustashfa. Mustashfa means hospital. Red, al-madrasatu. Green, al-madrasata. Orange, mustashfu. Okay, what's the correct answer? Dash at-tabibi ba'idun. Blue, mustashfa. Red, al-madrasatu. Green, al-madrasata. Orange, mustashfu. Very good. Answer is mustashfa. Al-madrasatu would mean school of the doctor is far, doctors usually don't have school. Okay, so usually some doctor could have sponsored a school, but that's a different thing. Doctors usually go to the hospital. So you'd say hospital of the doctor is far. Now, what's wrong with answer orange? Who can tell me? What's wrong with mustashfu? What's wrong with orange?
Tashfu would be, we have to follow the pattern what you taught.
Correct, but hospital is mustashfa. It is not
Mustashfa.
mustashfa. Okay, so where you have mustashfa, where you have Musa. Okay, so Musa alayhi salam. So even if you have, you'll never have Musu. Okay, that's a word ending with an alif. So
Musu, mama.
Musa will always be Musa. Why? Because it ends with alif. Okay, that's the rule. So mustashfa will always be mustashfa. There's no mustashfa. So if you say mustashfa of the doctor, it will still be mustashfa at tabibi. So the answer is blue, mustashfa. Rahil auntie, wrong answer. This was a trick question. Okay, so I did not explain this before, but in the quiz you did the correct answer. So I was expecting you to do correct answer even over here. The homework you all did correct. So Hazik 2, Rahil auntie 3, Adnan 4, Hifza 5. Let's see. There are a lot of tricky questions in the quiz. Okay, the quiz is far from over. The quiz.
Saqib,
Yes. Yes,
I
Naidati.
have that hospital of the doctor is wrong. I didn't understand why it was mistake. I wrote Mustashfu only. I wrote
Mustashfu.
hospital of the doctor.
The concept, Nahid auntie,
What
is
was the question? What was the question, Azik?
hospital of the student, of hospital of the doctor, but hospital is Mustashfa is hospital. Mustashfa ends with alif, Nahid auntie. Okay, so the ending vowel is always hidden. There's always an alif which is hiding the ending letter. So will always be mustashfa, mustashfa, mustashfa. There's no mustashfu, there's no mustashfi.
Yeah.
In fact, in the quiz, everyone went through the audio. So everyone, when we came to the quiz, everyone said mustashfa at-tabibi baidun or mustashfa at-tabibi baidun. You never said mustashfu. Had you said mustashfu, I would have corrected your mistake. But everyone said
We wrote
mustashfa at-tabibi.
Baitu we wrote, no. We wrote Baitu al-Tabibi.
Oh, okay. Baitu
I
at-tabibi.
wrote.
Okay.
So Baitu can be written Baitu. Only
Baitu, correct.
Mustashfa cannot. Okay.
Correct. So here, there's no baitu, there's mustashfa, but mustashfa will always be mustashfa. There's no mustashfu. Mustashfu is wrong. That's the question.
Okay.
And mustashfa, I think we've seen it in quiz. I think we've also seen it in this lesson sometime back. Okay. So mustashfa is always mustashfa.
I followed the pattern, Saqib. I followed who should be for possession. That is the pattern I followed. It cannot be for always.
How? The exception is where you have an alif at the end, Naidanti, like Musa. Asa.
Where is alif right here, Raja? Where is alif?
This is alif, Naidanti. So this is not a ya. This is ya will have two dots below.
Yeah, but the alif sound will come. Alif sound will come.
Alif sound will come. For example, asa.
Okay.
For example, asa of Musa. Okay.
What is asa?
Asa is stick. So Musa alayhi salam, he had that stick which he hits.
Stick. Okay.
And I think a serpent comes and eats up all of the snake. So that is asa
Yeah.
Musa.
Okay.
Okay, this is an alif. This is not asi musi. No, this is asa Musa. Okay, so this is stick of Musa. This has ending alif, so this will not change. It will not be asu musi. Is wrong.
Okay.
So the easiest way to teach concepts is to ask a quiz. Otherwise, everyone forgets and everyone does not pay attention. So asa of Musa is this. So Musa alayhi salam stick. Okay, so asa Musa, where you have an ending alif or you have an ending na or wow, it always stays the same. It doesn't change. That's the concept.
I'm having this problem in it.
Mama?
The 4 in it, And problem.
Okay, I will hold, Mama. Your voice is breaking, Mama. I think you need to turn off all of your remaining Wi-Fi connections and go close to the Wi-Fi. Your connection is bad. Okay, question to Sadia. How would you say, Sadia, room of the house?
House is Baiti.
Room?
So it'll,
Al-Baiti would be house, correct, but what would be room? If you revise your lesson, Sadia, you will be first in every quiz. The mistake you make is you
Ghurfatul Baiti.
Ghurfatul Baiti, correct. So Sadia, you do not revise your lesson. So that's why you do not remember what is room.
Before read the question, just mute everybody.
Okay. Mama, your voice is still breaking. Your connection is still bad, but we'll resume the quiz. Okay?
It's bad. It's bad.
Right.
Yeah.
So next question, moving on with the quiz, and let me mute everyone. Bonus question, double points. Choose the correct option. Tricky answers. Pay attention. Ana dash al mudarrisi, and this is a tricky question. Okay, you have enough time. Ana dash al mudarrisi, blue binti, red ghurfatu, green talibatu, orange kitabu. Ana dash al mudarrisi, 3 answers only. I think these are all guess answers. Blue binti, red ghurfatu, green talibatu, orange kitabu. There's only one correct answer here. What is the correct answer? Ana dash al mudarrisi. Blue binti, red ghurfatu, green talibatu, orange kitabu. Talibatul mudarrisi, very good. 7 answers, you surprised me. 3 people said kitabu. What would be wrong with Ana kitabul mudarrisi?
I am the book of the teacher.
Correct. You cannot be the book of the teacher. You are a person. You can say Hada kitabul mudarrisi. This is the book of the teacher. Okay, but because there is Ana, you are speaking about yourself. You cannot be kitab. Answer is talibatu. One answer was binti. What's wrong with binti? What is bint? Who remembers the meaning of bint?
Girl or daughter?
Daughter, very good. How would I say, why cannot I say I'm the daughter of the teacher? How can I say I am the daughter of the teacher? How do I say this? Who is the brave person willing to volunteer and get the answer correct and also learn?
Ana bintu al mudarrisi.
Very good. Ana bintu al mudarrisi. Okay. Here the answer, however, is binti. That's the mistake with answer blue. Had the answer been bintu, it would have been correct. But here it is binti, which is wrong. So Ana bintul mudarrisi, Ana talibatul mudarrisi would be the correct answers. Binti is wrong. Only correct answer is green. Rahil auntie back again after the technical issues. So Rahil auntie 2, Hazik 3, Hifza 4, Fuzail 5. Very good, Fuzail. Fuzail Afifa, we're doing well. Go on, and we have tough questions ahead. Let's see if you can crack those questions. Sadia down. Let's see if you can catch up. Muniba down. Rahmat down. Let's see if you guys can all catch up. Question 8. Choose the correct answer. Easy question. Al-Quranu Kitab dash, an answer which I've already given before, okay? So Al-Quranu Kitab dash. Blue, Kitabillahi. Red, Kitaballahi. Green, Al-Kitabillahi. Orange, Kitabullahi. Al-Quran Kitab dash. Blue, Kitabi Allahi. Red, Kitaba Allahi. Green, Al-Kitabi Allahi. Orange, Kitabu Allahi. You have time, guys. 40 seconds to go. Try to get the answer correct. It's okay even if you've taken time, you have 30 seconds. Al-Quranu Kitab dash. There's only one correct answer here. 8 people correct, 4 people wrong. The only correct answer is Kitabullahi. Muhammadun sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasulullahi Kitabullahi is the correct answer. So Quran is the book of Allah. So it's Kitabullahi. All the other answers are wrong. Okay, straightforward wrong. There's no discussion about the other answers. Kitabullahi, book of Allah. Fuzail, Afifa, wrong. Nahid Aunty, Hazik Hifza, very good. Sadia, you're again not in top 5. Adnan Zahan, again not in top 5. And you guys need to revise after the class. So whoever's not in top 5, please start revising after the class. Otherwise, concepts are going to add up. Lessons are going to pile up. You will not be able to cover all of them at a stretch. Question 9, bonus question, double points. Similar question to last time. This is Hamid's son. Okay, let's see if you can get correct this time. There's a spelling correction here. Blue would be Hada Hamidu Walidin. So read this last word as Walidin. Hada Hamidu Walidin. Red would be Hada Ibnu Hamidin. Green, Hada Hamidu Ibnin. Orange, Hada Walidu Hamidin. Okay, so the Waladu, read it as Walidu. Blue and orange, the Waladu, read it as Walidu. Blue is Hada Walidu Hamidin. Sorry, this is blue is Hada Hamidu Walidin. Red, Hada Ibnu Hamidin. Green, Hada Hamidu Ibnin. Orange, Hada Waladu Hamidin. How do you say this is Hamid's son? Or this is son of Hamid? Blue, Hada Hamidu Walidin. Red, Hada Ibnu Hamidin. Green, Hada Hamidu Ibnin. Orange, Hada Walidu Hamidin. You're waiting for one more answer, 20 seconds left.
Can you please repeat the red?
Red is Hada Ibnu Hamidin. 10 seconds left, Zahan.
No, I marked it.
Okay. Hada Ibnu Hamidin, the answer which Zahan asked for is the correct answer. 2 people marked blue. Hada Hamidu Walidin. The most wrong answer among all of these. What's the meaning of this? Hada Hamidu Walidin.
The Hamid of the
I'm wrong with my Kahoot. I'm marking the correct answer, still I'm on 6th place.
Yeah, same thing.
Send you
My
your
page
answers
got
after.
reloaded and I'm back to 0 points.
It's okay. Try to get the answers correct now. I'll send you the scores. You can correlate, okay? So if you have started off from scratch, it's okay. We'll correlate your...
Akaba, even I am also in 6th place. How is Zahan in 6th
I don't know how is that possible.
I am in 6th place.
So there won't be a
Behind
7.
Fuzail.
So there won't be a 7
Behind Fuzail.
and 8. So 2 people 6. The 7 will get skipped. Both of you are same points. That's what is the meaning. Okay. So Hada Ibnu Hamidin. Focus on getting the answers right. Okay. We'll correlate the points after the quiz, inshallah. Hada Ibnu Hamidin. Correct answer. Hamidu Walidin. The most wrong answer. Okay. So whoever's doing this is doing this in a hurry. You're trying to get the answers in a hurry. You do not know the concept and you're getting it wrong. Hada Hamidu Walidin is, this is Hamid of the father. So wrong. Most wrong answer ever. Hazik slightly down, Hifza slightly up. Fuzail again at 5th place, very good. Nahid Aunty, Rahil Aunty on top. In fact, 2, 3, 4 is very close battle. Let's see who ends up at the end at 2, 3, 4. And there are a few tough questions coming at the end. So let's see if those move the positions. Question 10. Double points. There are 5 rooms in the apartment. How would you say there are 5 rooms in the apartment? Lu fi shaqqati khamsu.
There are 5 rooms in the apartment.
Let me mute everyone. Zahan, please go on mute. في الشقة 5 غرف blue. Red 5 غرف في الشقة. Green في الشقة 5 غرف. Orange 5 الغرف في الشقة. There are 5 rooms in the apartment. There's only one correct answer. Bonus question, double points. Pay attention. There's 80 seconds left. Okay, so enough time left to try to get the correct answer. There are 5 rooms in the apartment. ये apartment में 5 कमरे हैं. उसको कैसे बोलते हैं? Blue في شقة 5 غرف.
Is blue غرفين?
غرفين, yes. في شقة 5 غرف. Red 5 غرفا في الشقة. Green في الشقة 5 غرف. Orange 5 الغرف في الشقة. Forty seconds left. There are 5 rooms in the apartment. How would you say there are 5 rooms in the apartment? Blue في شقة 5 غرف. Red 5 غرفا في الشقة. Green في الشقة 5 غرف.
Can you please repeat blue?
في الشقة 5 غرف.
في الشقة 5 غرف.
9 correct answers. Very good. And now I'm going to give you bonus question. Okay, so not part of Kahoot, but let's see if someone can tell me if this sentence is correct or not. So let me say fi al bayti khamsatu ghurfatin. في الشقة 5 غرفة. or في البيت 5 غرفة. or في البيت 5 غرفة. Which of these is correct? في البيت 5 غرفة or في البيت 5 غرفة. One. So let's try annotation, guys.
The second one?
Let's try annotation. Okay. Let me make the 2 answers big. Okay. So we have question number 1 or answer number 1, and we have answer number 2. Now let's do annotation and let's see who can guess the correct answer. So 1 you can take 1, 2 you can take 2. Okay, we have 2 ticks on 2. We have, okay, whoever is orange, please erase. Do not crowd the answer. Adnan, Hifza, Sadia, Anil auntie, Rahil auntie. Okay, everyone thinks it is 2. Who was left, try to mark. So is it 1, is it 2?
Sakfa uncle, I don't have the annotation.
Okay, so what is your answer, Muniba? 1 or 2?
2.
2. Okay, everyone who marked 2, your answer is wrong. Zahan, Fuzail, Adnan, you're marking 1, which is also wrong. Both of these are wrong. Let me explain.
Second one not correct.
No.
Fish fil baiti khamsu ghurafin.
Isn't it
So,
supposed to be
Ghurafin.
Ghurafin?
Correct. This is Ghurafatin. That's the mistake. Very good, Sadia.
Oh.
Now Sadia is become smart. So Sadia is using her smartness. So Sadia is back in full form. So
But you said there should be a male-female coordination, no?
correct. But Ghurfa, okay. So Ghurfatun is a room. Okay. How would I say rooms? Rooms is Ghuraf.
Ghurafatin.
Fu is rooms. Okay. So where you say khamsu, we want to say 5 rooms. Okay. How would I say 5 rooms? The khamsu is where everyone got it correct. So khamsu is 5. Now I want to say 5 rooms. Okay. Rooms is ghurafun. Okay, I'm getting this wrong. Rooms would be ghurafun, which because of this pattern, okay, so 5 rooms. Why is it khamsu and not khamsatu? Because room ghurfa is feminine. Ghurfa has a ta marbuta, so khamsu will be masculine, it will not be khamsatu. And ghurafun will become ghurafin. It will be khamsu ghurafin. That's the answer. Now everyone got it correct, but looks like the rule was still not very clear to everyone. So this is how you make it. Ghurfatun is feminine, so it will be khamsu. This has to be masculine. Rooms is ghurafun, so it will be ghurafin. So it will be khamsu ghurafin. Okay, so Sadia is the one who knew what's the correct answer. So fi shaqati khamsu ghurafin. This is the correct answer. Both 1 and 2, which are over here, are wrong.
Akhi, why do we put Ghurafin, not Ghurafun?
Because 5 rooms Nahidanti is khamsu ghurafin. That's the rule. So the
Rule,
first word will be
What
khamsu
rule?
sittu.
Yeah. What rule is that, Sahib?
That's the rule of numbers, Nahidanti. So,
Number rule. Okay.
so for example, numbers, everyone got the correct answers. Everyone did beautifully in numbers.
Yeah.
3 rooms.
Khamsu, I understood. Khamsu, I understood. Why we should put Hurafin instead of Hurafun is a plural, no? Why we should end with fin? That is my doubt.
That is rule of numbers,
Hurafin.
Nahidanti. For example, here,
Number. Okay.
when we did this exercise,
Yeah, the answers are like that.
Thalathu ghurafin, arba'u ghurafin,
Yeah, yeah.
khamsu ghurafin. This is the rule.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
how would you say, Nahidanti, 5 houses?
By Khamsu, Khamsatu,
Khamsatu.
Baitin,
Buyutin, houses.
Buyutin. Okay.
So this is reflection on numbers, which we thought we had rules figured, but now as we are learning more it becomes confusing. Okay, so that's why we want to go back.
Yeah.
So it would be
Khamsu.
house is bait. Okay, it is masculine. So
Yeah.
we will say khamsatu,
So,
and we want houses. It has to be plural.
Okay.
Bait is one house. Buyut is houses. So it will be khamsatu bu you tin.
mm.
Okay, So go back to the numbers. The numbers have all of the answers in this fashion. So if you go back to the numbers lesson, either the quiz or the video, you will see, for example, we saw khamsu rijalin because rajul is man. So it will be khamsu rijalin. Khamsatu kutubin. Okay, because kitab is masculine. So it will be khamsatu kitabin. And numbers, everyone did well. Okay, so now it's good time to go back to the rule because we are seeing buyutin, we are seeing over here mudarrisin. So these rules can be tricky. So that's why you need to go back, revise the previous lesson so you don't end up forgetting the previous lesson.
Jazakallah khair.
Welcome. 9 people correct answer. Hifza is up. Zahil auntie is little down. So this is going to be a battle for 2, 3, 4 place. Let's see.
Ajit, I'm not getting it at all.
What do you mean, Zahan?
I mean that I'm getting all answers correct. Most of them I've got correct, but still I'm on the 6th place.
So because the others are also getting their answers correct, Zahan. That's because the others are also doing well. What's your score?
Mine is 6715.
So top 4 are ahead of you, Zahan. So top 4 are, see, Fuzail is 5 and he's 7528. So you need to go ahead of 7528.
Depends on the speed.
So you need to go ahead of 7528, Zahan, for you to come on top. Just getting few correct answers will not help you come on top. Question 11. Choose the correct answer. Easy question. At-talibi maksurun. Dash. At-talibi maksurun. Dash. At-talibi maksurun. Blue al-qalamu. Red kharaja. Green kharaju. Orange qalamu. Dash. At-talibi maksurun. Dash. At-talibi maksurun. Blue al-qalamu. Red kharaja. Green kharaju. Orange qalamu. "15 seconds left, guys. 2 people are yet to answer. Mark quickly. Blue is al-qalamu. Red is kharaja. Green is kharaju. Orange qalamu. Very good. No one marked green, which is a good thing because green word doesn't exist. Okay. So kharaja means went out. Qalamu talibi maksurun. The pen of the student is broken. Okay. Qalamu talibi maksurun. The pen of the student is broken. Qalamu talibi. Pen of the student. Very good. Hifza, Rahil auntie, Hazik have all done well. Fuzail is also doing well, Zahan. So Fuzail is not allowing you in top 5. Okay. So tough luck. You need to be better next time. Question 12. Opportunity for everyone. Double points. Tricky question. Choose the correct option. Khadijatu, and this is where I said it's not be Khadijatun. Khadijatu dash Hamidin. Khadijatu dash Hamidin. Tricky question. Take your time. Blue is Akhu. Red is Ammu. Green Akhu. Orange Walidatu. Khadijatu dash Hamidin. Blue Akhu. Red Ammu. Orange Akhu. Orange Walidatu. Green is Akhu. Orange Walidatu. Khadijatu dash Hamidin. Khadija's dash of Hamid. Khadijatu dash Hamidin. Blue Akhu. Orange Ammu. Green Akhu. Orange Walidatu. Five people marked red. Who can explain why red is wrong? Correct answer is Walid.
Ammu means chacha.
Correct. Very good, Hifza. Hifza is smart. Hifza is revising lessons. Is chacha. Khadija is female. Khadija cannot be chacha of Hamid. Okay, Khadija cannot be uncle of Hamid. So, Akhu, Ammu, Akhu are all masculine. There's only one feminine option, which is orange. Orange is correct. Rahil auntie on top. Hifza third. Close battle for 1, 2, 3. Hazik fourth. Adnan is fifth. Very good, Adnan. Adnan, Fuzail are battling out for 5th position. And Zahan, you are not in the 5th still. Adnan is doing better. And Adnan, are you doing alone or is Sadia helping you because she dropped out after first 6 questions? Are you doing teamwork, guys?
No, Sadia is in another computer doing herself. I am doing in another computer by
Okay, I
myself.
think for the first quiz, you are ahead of Sadia. And maybe it's because Sadia is dropped out of 6. We'll see that at the end. Question 13. 3 questions left, guys. Easy question. Choose the correct option. Babu or Bab dash Maftuhun. Bab dash Maftuhun. Blue. Bab is Sayarati. Red. Babun Asayarati. Green. Baba Asayarati. Orange. Babu Asayarati. Okay, now I'll read it out with the way it's supposed to be read. Bab dash Maftuhun. Blue would be Babis Sayarati. Red would be Babunus Sayarati. Green would be Babas Sayarati. Orange would be Babu Sayarati. Dash Maftuhun. Babu Sayarati. Babun Sayarati would be wrong. So the pattern, we will not have Babun. We will not have 2 Dhamma. We will only have 1 Dhamma. Zahan, very good. Finally, you are in top 5. Okay. Rahil Aunty, second. Hifza, third. Hazik fourth. The last 2 questions. Sorry?
Nothing, mistakenly.
Okay. Adnan, Zahan, Fuzail. Okay. Among the 3 of you, let's see who can close in top 5. This is good improvement for all 3 of you. Last 2 questions are difficult questions. Okay. They are make or break. So they are game changer questions. Last 2 questions can decide positions of 2, 3, 4 and also 5, 6, 7. Let's see how you do the last 2 questions. Everyone, whoever wants water, take water. Whoever wants to stand, stand. Whoever wants to sit, sit down. Whoever wants to pray, pray. Last 2 questions are tough questions and double point questions. All the best, guys. Question 14. Double points. Climax question. Choose the correct option. Kharajal Mudarrisu min dash al Mudiri. Last question of the homework. Kharaja al Mudarrisu min dash al Mudiri. Blue at-tabaqa. Red kitabu. Green sayarati. Orange
Can you
sayaratu.
please explain the meaning of the sentence?
I will not explain the meaning of the sentence. This was homework question. Okay,
Can you
we had
at least
Google
repeat
Translate.
it?
Kharaja al mudarrisu min dash al mudiri. Kharaja is what I will explain. Kharaja means went out or got out. Okay. Kharaja al mudarrisu means the mudarris went out. Okay, Zahan, this is something you needed to do as part of the homework. Kharaja al mudarrisu, the teacher went out. Min dash al mudiri. Blue at-tabaqa. Red kitabu.
Al-Mudiri.
Sayarati. Orange sayaratu. I'm going to mute everyone. Kharaja al-mudarrisu min dash al-mudiri. Time's running out. Only 3 correct. Okay, let's see who are getting it correct. And before that, who can explain what is wrong with blue, red, orange? Why is
After
green?
minute will be a kasra.
Very good. So typically, okay, it will be Sayaratul Mudiri. What is Sayaratul Mudiri? Mudir is headmaster or principal. Okay, so that's Mudir. What is Sayaratul Mudiri? What is Sayara, Zahan?
Car of the
Very good, Nahidanti. What's the answer again?
car of the headmaster.
Very good. So Sayara tu, and Zahan's fallen out of love with cars after this question. Sayaratu al mudiri. Okay. Sayaratul mudiri. What's the meaning of this? Night auntie?
Car of the headmaster.
Car of the headmaster. Okay. Now, if I say in the car of the headmaster, what I would do is I add a fee at the beginning. Okay, so fi means in. But what does fi
Got
do?
it correct, Sahib Chacha.
Okay, you got it correct, but you did not tell the answer here. What does fi do?
My microphone was muted.
Oh, no problem. Okay, so where you have fi, the sayaratu will become sayarati. Remember, fi ghurfati, fil ghurfati, fil baiti, fil fi ghurfatin nawmi. Okay, this is something we've seen. We do not say fi ghurfatun nawmi. Okay, so we said fi ghurfati, the ghurfatu becomes ghurfati, and this would become on now me. Okay, and where did we see this? We saw this in Arabiyatu Baina Yadaik. So this would be fi ghurfatin nawmi. Okay, so this was again, I think this was an exercise we did in the class. So this is fi ghurfatin nawmi, and even over here we would see
Yeah, Ghurfatul Julusi is there.
ghurfatil julusi. Okay, so fi ghurfatil julusi, it will not be fi ghurfatul julusi. Uridu ghurfatan, uridu ghurfatan.
Sir, hai lesson mein.
Okay,
Dialogue it is there.
correct. I think that's the first dialogue in that case. Mushadat shaqati, no. Assalamu alaikum, uridu shaqatan, no. Okay, see? So, li ghurfatil julusi, the lesson also has fi ghurfatil julusi. Okay, so where you have li, you have fi, it will be ghurfati. And same over here, min has similar rule. So where you have min, it will be as-sayarati. So sayarati, correct answer sayaratu or kitabu, etc. is not correct. Three people correct. Sidra, Nimra up. Top 4 position same. Looks like Zahan, Adnan, Fuzail, all of you are not going to be fifth. Let's see how the last question goes. Last question of the quiz, difficult question, double points, based on a homework. Okay, the apartment is in the 5th floor. You have enough time, 120 seconds, guys. Take your time, answer the correct option. The apartment is in the 5th floor. Okay, how would you say it? Blue, fi shaqqati khamsu ghurafin. Right, ashaqatu fi dawri khamsu. Green, fi shaqqati khamsatu ghurafin. Orange, ashaqatu fi dawril khamisi. I'll repeat, the apartment is in the 5th floor. जो apartment है वो 5वें फ्लोर, 5वें मंजिल पे है. उसको कैसे बोलते हैं? Blue, fi shaqqati khamsu ghurafin. Right, ashaqatu fi dawri khamsu. Green, fi shaqqati khamsatu ghurafin. Orange, ashaqatu fi dawril khamis. You have enough time, guys. Take your time. There's no hurry. 55 seconds to go. There's enough time. Choose the correct answer. The answers are closed.
Orange.
Let me put everyone on mute. There is a little bit of disturbance. Blue is fi shaqqati khamsu ghurafin. Right? Ashaqatu fi dawri khamsu. Green, fi shaqqati khamsatu ghurafin. Orange, ashaqatu fi dawri al khamisi. 20 more seconds to go. You have time. Think. Eliminate options which are wrong. Choose among the options which you think are correct. 10 seconds to go. Blue, fi shaqqati khamsu ghurafin. Red, ashaqatu fi dawri khamsu. Green, fi shaqqati khamsu ghurafin. Orange, ashaqatu fi dawri al khamisi. 1 second to go. 7 people correct, very good. So it looks like you know the rule or you remember this homework. Fi shaqqati, blue and green are fi shaqqati, so it is in the apartment. Okay, so in the apartment is not what you're looking at. We're not looking at something in the apartment, but we are saying the apartment is in the 5th floor. So it has to be fi ad-dawr, so in the floor. Okay, so blue, green are definitely wrong. It has to be either red, orange. Yes, Muniba.
Saqib uncle, actually I had connection problems, so that's why my internet was not working properly. I could not click the answer, or else that was only my correct answer.
Oh, okay, no problem, Muniba. That happens sometimes, so no problem. Correct answer, Ashaqatu fi dawri al-khamisi. Okay, fi dawri khamsu is wrong. Okay, no one marked red. The correct answer is Ashaqati fi dawri al-khamisi.
Why red will be wrong? I have corrected the thing, but why red is wrong? I couldn't distinguish the mistake. What is there?
So this is 5th floor, Nahid aunty.
Yeah, the for the floor also the comes here. The for 5 also the comes. No, that made me a little bit confused. But I've corrected the answer. I've put the tick for the correct answer. But why it was red is wrong?
Oh, Nahid aunty, this is something we'll see in the upcoming lesson. So we saw this rule very shortly over here. So
Okay, Raja.
the rule, Nahid aunty, which we saw very quickly. Okay, so we need to do more practice of this.
Okay.
That we said new student. Do you remember, Nahid aunty, what is new student, or anyone remembers what is new student? How do we say student?
Student is Talib.
Very good. So
New campaign.
li bun jadid or beautiful student. Okay, so let me say beautiful female student. So I would say talibatun
Jamilun. Oh.
jamilatun.
Jamilatun.
Jamilatun is something I've seen.
Yeah,
A beautiful
للدارس طلبة في المدرسة الثانوية.
Let me put everyone on mute.
طالبة تلميذ
Zahan, you need to be on mute,
طلبة
Zahan.
في المدرسة.
You are disturbing. Let me come back. So talibatun jamilatun. I think with film sayaratun jamilatun, but let's do talibatun jamilatun.
Yeah, we saw this. We saw this.
Jamilatun. Okay, we did not do practice on this rule. So jamilatun, this means a beautiful student. Okay, the rule we saw is always going to be talibatun jamilatun. Although we say beautiful student, we will not say jamilatun talibatun. Okay, so jamilatun always has to come after talibatun. So that's one rule. Second is jamilatun will always be very similar to talibatun. For example, if I say qalamun, qalamun is masculine, then it will be jamilun. So where I say qalamun, oops, where I say qalamun, I would not say jamilatun, I would say jamilun. And now I'll come to your question, Nahid aunty. This is something we've seen, okay? So I'm trying to relate to something that we have seen before. If I say at-talibu, Nahid aunty, what would the answer be? How would I say the beautiful student? This would be at-talibatu. Will it be jamilatun? No, it will be al-jamilatu. Okay, so this jamilatu has to be always the same as at-talibatu. So if this is al, this will also be with al. At-talibatu is students. Okay, talibat is female students. This will also be jamilat. That's the rule. So where you have an adjective, where you have beautiful student, new pen, okay, the near house, these two have to be the same pattern. So if this is al, that will also be al. This is masculine, that will be masculine. This is plural, this will also be plural. That's a rule we will see next lesson, inshallah. So you are one step ahead, Nahid aunty. This is a rule on which we do practice. So where you have ad-dawri, this will also be al-khamisi. So that is the 5th floor.
Jazakallah khair, Saqib.
Yeah, come. And Nahid aunty, that is also in the homework. If we come down, let me come to that homework. Yes. See, so this will be ad-dawri al-khamisi, ad-dawri al-thalithi, ad-dawri al-rabi, ad-dawri al-sadisi. So this is 7th floor. Okay, so this has to be the same pattern. If this is E, this will also be E. So that's the rule. Let's see the standings now. Third is Hifza. Well done, Hifza. Second, by default, is Rahil Aunty. And in fact, big gap between second and third. First is Nahid Aunty. Very well done. The gap is only 14 out of 15 correct answers to Nahid Aunty, 12 out of 15 for Rahil Aunty. Fifth is Zahan. Very good, Zahan. Zahan fifth, Hazik fourth. Very well done to the top 5. And to everyone who is not in the top 3, you need to revise your lessons, guys. You will not get it, and I'll tell you the lessons are going to pile on if you do not revise your lessons. We'll do another quiz tomorrow, inshallah, or tougher quiz. Okay, this quiz was based on the homework. All of these questions were homework questions. All of these questions were homework questions. Tomorrow's quiz is not going to be on homework questions, so it's going to be a tough quiz. Homework for today: go through the lessons in the book. Okay, go through this lesson, which was the previous lesson that we've seen. Go through this lesson, which is the lesson of Qalamu Hamidin and also Fi and Ala. Okay, so it will be Fil Baiti, Fil Ghurfati, Alal Maktabi, on the table, Ala Sariri. Okay, go through these. We'll do tomorrow, inshallah, a tough quiz where if you do not revise the lessons, I'll tell you you're not going to do well in the quiz tomorrow. We'll do a tough quiz tomorrow. Homework for today: go through the last 2 lessons, and tomorrow we will see who's done the homework, who's not done the homework. Any questions before we close? No homework to be submitted for today's class. Homework for today: all of the smart students. Okay, so I'm looking at Rahmat, Sadia, Nimra, Sidra, Zahan, Adnan, Fuzail, Afifa, Hania. To all of you, go back, revise this lesson and the previous lesson for the tough quiz tomorrow. And we will see how well you've done the homework, inshallah, tomorrow when we do the quiz. If there are no questions, we will close. I will stay back 5 minutes after the class, inshallah. Anyone who has questions can ask me questions after the class. Official class I will close now. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Ma salama. See you tomorrow at 12:30, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair. Ma salama sahib.
Wa yakum.